Tonton. Wala.
10 seconds.
Ay.
30 seconds remaining time. Now Perales to Mera. Nice, 3 points. Villiver to Mera. Nice, 2 points. Rebound by Sala to Riguya. Nice, 2 points. Bago to Buhawi. To Villiver. Nice, 2 points. Villiver to Edward. Nice, 2 points. Rebound by Edward to Riguya. Guarded by Kanya. Nakalusot. Lays up. No good. Rebound again by Riguya. No good again. Nice, 2 points.
Shun. Ako ni pause mo video Shun. Ma-shot ganin duha ka free throw nimo. Naka-preview na ako. Pero di gana ma-shot sa duha. Nasa kay preview. What?
No good.
Bisag usa lang Shun. Shun, ako dun i-pause
Last
Shun.
throw by Riguya.
Usa lang yun Shun.
No good pa rin. Rebound by Edward to Riguya. Lumusot. Bumangga. Nice, 2 points. 15 seconds shot clock. Lunsyo. Kinain pa rin. 5 seconds to shoot. Pero may pito ating basket down. Seconds to shoot. Urquiha to Mera. Nice, 2 points. To shoot. 1 minute and 50 seconds. To Villaver. To Urquiha. Nagmamadali. Lumusot. Nice, 2 points. Pero may pito at illegally counted foul. 10 seconds. Nice, 2 points. 15 seconds. Pero may pito at illegally basket count. Foul remaining time. Bonus throw by Urquiha, no good. Rebound by Zaspa. Nice, 2 points. Zaspa. 5. Long pass to
Lumipad ka, Sala. 7 minutes and 20.
15 seconds shot clock.
2 points,
Nice, 2
Tonton.
points, 15 seconds shot clock. Tago for 3. No good. Rebound by Zaspa. Nakuha rin. Pero may pito.
Ay!
10 seconds shot clock. Nice, 2 points, 3 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Perales to Gaviana. Lays up.
Nice.
2 points.
Grabe agaw, uy!
5 seconds shot clock. Pumakala, nice. 2 points. 15 seconds shot clock. Tago. Lays up.
Agaw!
Foul number 30. Tago. Toso Perales for 3. Nice!
Bang!
Rebound by Simito to Sala to Gaviana. Back to Sala. Toso Perales for 3. Perales. 15 seconds to shoot. From nice, 2 points.
guy.
And 20 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock.
2 and 21 seconds.
Rebound by Gaviana to Sala to Perales. Nice. 10 seconds shot clock. Urquiha. Nice. 2 points. Seconds to play. Still by Urquiha. Urquiha lumusot. Taas to Edward. Nice. 2 points. Edward.
35 seconds, 53-55 ang score.
Nice. 1 point Urquiha. 5 seconds.
Nagidali.
No good. Rebound by Tago for 2. No good. Rebound by Label. So, 27 seconds remaining time. 20 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds. Salah by Pito delivery foul number 7, Rikuya.
Scores 54-56.
Oras 13 seconds remaining time. First throw by Rikuya. Nice, 2 points.
Full storage na ko. Full storage na ko, yat.
13 seconds remaining time. 13 seconds.